Hi guys, this is Chef S. Khan.
Hi, this is Maximilian. Welcome to Sun Studio.
And we are back with another mind-blowing recipe which comes straight from Italy. We're gonna make a very special spinach gnocchi. We're gonna take 200 grams of boiled mashed potatoes. Press it nicely with the help of a fork, or you can use a potato masher as well. 3 heaped tablespoons of refined flour goes in. Whisk in 1 large egg. Pinch of salt goes in. Crush in some black peppercorns. 1 heaped tablespoon of blanched shredded spinach. 2 tablespoons of processed cheese goes in. Half tablespoon of butter goes in. Jump in and mix them together nicely. You can keep adding a little dry flour in between as soon as it starts getting to stick to your hands. But make sure that you don't add dry flour a lot, because it will gonna make it very hard. We're gonna take a nice big plate, dust it a little with refined flour, and from this dough we're gonna take a little out, place it here with more flour. Once it is formed into nice cylindrical body, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a very sharp small paring knife. You're gonna dust it with flour nicely, and you're gonna cut them very carefully. Okay, so now there are multiple ways of giving the shape to gnocchi. We're gonna learn at least 2 different types of shapes right now. We're gonna take a big fork, dust it lightly, and keep a piece of gnocchi like this, goes towards the end, and press it nicely down. So you get a beautiful gnocchi shape. Dig your finger in refined flour and just slightly inside here. Rolling boiled water, dash of salt goes in, and one by one this beautiful gnocchi. The sign when they are cooked is the gnocchi will start floating on top. Keep stirring this a little just to make sure that the gnocchi is not sticking at the base. Till the time our gnocchi is getting ready, I'm gonna make a very nice garlic and spinach cream sauce. Hot pan, around 1 tablespoon of olive oil goes in. 1 tablespoon of butter goes in. As soon as the butter starts to melt, roughly chopped garlic goes in. Next goes in the blanched spinach. Little spring onion goes in. Saute them together nicely so that garlic gets really nicely cooked. Now, as you can see, all the gnocchi has risen to the top. That is a signal that it is cooked, and you can see they have fluffed up almost double their size. What we're gonna do is we're gonna drain them nicely and go straight into this pan. Saute it nicely so that it gets nice crust from the base, and once it starts getting a nice color, we're gonna add in half cup of cream to this, and we're gonna add around 50 grams of cheese. We're gonna add it little salt. I'm gonna crush in some black peppercorns, a little red chili flakes to give a little heat to this sauce. finally when butter starts oozing out, that means our sauce is absolutely ready. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out, a beautiful big plate, right at the center. Put some powdered parmesan from the top. Alright Maxi, so it's spinach and cheese gnocchi is ready to go. So it is time now to call our
Special guest, Miss Marathi actress and Bollywood star just coming, Miss Apurva. Join us.
Oh, thank you so much, Maxi. Ram Ram Maxi, Ram Ram friends. आणि मला खूप जास्त आनंद होतोय की त्यांनी मला इकडे बोलवलं and I know these guys are not understanding Marathi.
It's Italian day.
Exactly, but I can smell something very delicious, guys. Just don't hide it from me and just tell me what is this. Very fun.
This is a very special recipe for our viewers. We have made spinach and cheese gnocchi. It's a very special Italian recipe.
Okay, that is why I was thinking. Like I came and I smelled something very cheesy, garlic taste, you know. So, what are the ingredients in this? Can you just elaborate?
We have made the pasta out of potatoes and flour. We have put an egg and we have binding nicely together with cheese. We add seasoning, we add salt, pepper, chili flakes. Then we have boiled the pasta. Then another way we put it in the sauce. You can have the pasta directly. You can make multiple choice of sauces that you can make.
So normally, wherever you go to Italian restaurant or Indian Italian or Indian American pizza, normally it's not real Italian. Today it's real Italian.
Exactly, and believe me, if you go to an Italian restaurant, they won't charge you less than $1,000 for this dish. But at home, if you're gonna make it absolutely cheap. You can make it for like 100 rupees, which is a very big difference.
Exactly, and literally, guys, मैं मैगी खा के बोर हो चुकी थी and I literally ate pasta. But and usal pav.
No.
This usal pav is my favorite. Now let's see which will compete, you know.
It's your time.
Now guys, let's taste it upon.
Is it hot?
It's so tasty, she can't even say anything.
You can see me, guys. It's so melty taste and so buttery taste and I swear, Maxi, usal pav के बाद ये मेरा सबसे favorite dish है. I loved it and I would recommend all of you guys, please to taste it.
And you have to make it also at home.
You have to also make it because I want to make it first at home today, you know.
Alright.
Great experience. Great. Thank you so much, guys, for calling me over here.
It is our pleasure.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure to be our guest at Sun Studio to enjoy our Italian, real Italian meal.
Real Italian. It's real. Exactly.
Okay.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Alright guys, so this is Chef Faiz Khan and Maximilian signing off from Sun Studios. We promise you to be back with another mind-blowing recipe next week. What do you have to say, Maxi?
Well, today is very great Italian smelling day. And watch out for surprise. Next week, we have a big surprise for you. Come and watch again. Please. Welcome.
All the best and enjoy. Keep watching CFK. Oh.